I could liken it to, catching something, an animal that's running right past you and you try and grab it. It's in your body. That energy is in your body. You can't release it. And you have that tense moment while you're trying to take your breath before the next song, and you're trying to control it. Sometimes I catch myself only focusing on the drummers. The audience I know is there, but it's in a blur, right? And you're focusing on your dancers, like tunnel vision. You're one. You're one with all the drummers and singers. You're moving at the same time. You're just having fun, experiencing that energy together. When I was about maybe third or fourth grade is when I first started Eskimo dancing. Yeah, it was very nerve-wracking. I was cold. I was going through cold sweats and very nervous, dry mouth. And, I was just hoping I knew the motions to how we practice them, I could say I feel the same thing, I think. But you can also feel the energy, from your dancers, from your co-singers, co-drummers. You feel the energy. It was banned by missionaries, and where places that it wasn't banned, they just pretty much faded off.
A lot have changed past few years. There's more kids, more adults. It was good to let these young generation know what to do and learn these sounds. Because some villages, their dances are dying. They're no more, and I don't want that here. It lifts me. It's a stress reliever.
You got these little tiny ones, not yet in school, that are mimicking their older siblings. They may be dancing any which way, but at least, they're practicing, they're doing their movements, motions. You have the meets, correct each other. You talk to them and, say, this is how you want to do it. Sometimes abruptly ending the song and having to correct everybody, whether it be the drummers and how they're pronouncing something or how they're toning it, or the motions. so you want to unify it, make it one. We don't tell them, you guys got to perform really hard. They know, When it's time, they explode. Yeah, explode that energy. It's cool. Good feeling.